everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for event planning business. So I'm an owner for event planning business and I receive a lot of inquiries by my customers on WhatsApp. Now replying to each one of them individually and manually is a very time consuming and hectic task. So for this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot that is our AI agent. Yes, an AI agent is going to automatically reply to all our customers' message. And what if I tell you, you can create this amazing AI agent WhatsApp chatbot without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. So now as I've created this AI agent WhatsApp chatbot, whenever a query is going to be received to us by our customers towards this bot, automatically this AI agent is going to send a reply to them. So now if you want to learn how to create this amazing AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create an AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot for an event planning business using Pabbly Chatflow. This smart assistant will help you automate responses to customer inquiries, provide your business information, and streamline communication all within WhatsApp without need of any coding and programming skills. So first of all, I'm going to show you how this AI assistant is going to work. So this is the bot you can see right over here. This is the AI agent bot, and towards this bot, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message. Let's suppose I'm going to send over here as, "Hey, I need help." I'm going to send this message towards this bot right here. And as I'm going to do that, it says, "I'm here to help. Please let me know what you need assistance with and I'll do my best to assist you." Okay, so I'm going to write a question over here as, "Can you tell me what all events you organize and services you include?" Okay, so I'm going to send this message towards this bot right here. And as I've done that, you can see I have received a response. Certainly, Event Ease organizes variety of events, offers a comprehensive range of services. Events we organize is corporate events. You can see these are the services it provides. Weddings, social events, community charity events. You can see over here service providers also mentioned right here. Initial consultation planning, venue selection, vendor coordination. You can see all the things is mentioned by this bot. I have received the detailed reply right over here from this bot. Okay, so this is how this AI agent WhatsApp chatbot is going to reply to all my queries or all the customers' queries that we are going to receive on this bot. Okay, and we are going to create this amazing AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow without need of any coding and programming skills. Okay, for that, firstly, we need to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow on a new tab, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Okay, I'm going to browse this website and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you have two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I am an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. After signing in, you can see the all Pabbly apps in front of you, in which you can see all the products that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. It is Pabbly Chatflow. It is an amazing tool by Pabbly that helps businesses to send WhatsApp message and manage WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. In order to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, you need to add a WhatsApp number from here, and you have two ways to add your WhatsApp number: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn about any of the methods over here in order to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, you can find the video links in the description box below. Pabbly Chatflow provides multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log, and settings, under which we have multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out the video links I've added in the description box below. In order to create a new AI agent WhatsApp chatbot in our Pabbly Chatflow account, from the left side we have to go towards this AI assistant page right over here. Then you can see AI assistant page is going to appear in front of you of your Pabbly. Then you can see AI assistant page of your Pabbly Chatflow account is going to appear in front of you. And to create a new AI assistant in our Pabbly Chatflow account, we need to add it from this button, that is Add AI Assistant right here. Firstly, we need to name the assistant over here. So for the name, I'm going to write it as Event Planning Bot. Okay, so I'm going to name the assistant and add the AI assistant from here. As I've done that, you can see a new bot has been added, that is Event Planning Bot right here. Okay. After adding the new AI assistant right over here, you can see firstly it is asking for the AI instructions. What is this AI assistant is going to be? This is going to be an AI agent. So I'm going to select the option as AI agent from the drop down. You can select the AI instructions according to your requirement when you're going to be creating this AI assistant. Okay. After that, over here you can see it says instructions. This is the instruction given to whom? To our AI bot that we are creating. Okay. You can make changes in this AI instruction right over here according to your requirement. After that, it says AI configuration right here. Okay. So what is temperature? Over here in temperature, you have the range from 0 to 1. So what is 0? 0 is the most simplest answer that this bot is going to create and send it towards our customer. And what is 1? The most creative answer that this bot can send towards our customer towards their queries that they have. I am going to set the temperature as 0.5. That means it's in the middle. It will be creative as well as simple. Okay, you can set the temperature according to your requirement. After that, it is asking for us to choose the AI model that is going to answer to all our questions, the AI platform, for which I am going to select OpenAI from here. Then in OpenAI, there are multiple models. Which model do you want to use? I am going to use GPT-4o Mini as per my requirement. If you want to use any other AI model, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. Okay. After that, over here it is asking for the API token. You need to give this API token right over here so that this bot can have the access of your OpenAI account. To have the API token, go to this hyperlink given here below in the help desk right here. And then you can see the API keys page is going to appear in front of you. And now to generate a new token, go to this create button on the top right corner. Firstly, we're going to name the token. For the name over here, I'm going to write it as AI agent. Okay, this is the name of the token. Project is going to be default and permissions as all. I'm going to generate the token from here. I'm going to copy this token from here and paste it in this field right here and click on this connect button. As I've clicked on connect, you can see it says OpenAI key saved successfully. Okay. So as now we have added the token right here, it says AI assistant setting. If you want to add a header message, you can toggle this button on right here and add your header message over here. And add your header message over here according to your requirement. I do not want that, so I'm going to skip the part. In the similar manner, you can add the footer message, stop keywords. So let's suppose you want to give your customer an option. The option is that if the customer wants to stop using this AI assistant, they can just write few words like stop, buy, or other words that can just stop this AI assistant for sending messages. So for that, for the stop keywords, you can simply toggle this button on from here and add your stop keyword. So let's suppose my first keyword is buy. So I'm going to write it and press the enter button to save the keyword. In the similar manner, let's suppose I'm going to write it as stop as the other keyword. So I'm going to write it and press the enter button. So in this manner, you can add stop keywords. Okay. Retry attempts. If you want to give retry attempts, you can give number of attempts from 1 to 10 over here. I do not want that, so I'm going to skip the part. And then comes fallback message. So let's suppose a customer has asked your bot a query and the bot doesn't have any knowledge about that question. So then what message should be forwarded towards this bot? So for that, you can add a message right over here, the fallback message. So I'm going to write a fallback message over here as, so this is my fallback message right here. Sorry, I couldn't find an answer to your question at the moment. Please contact our support team directly on this email or phone number for immediate assistance. We are here to help. Okay. So you can see this is the fallback message that is going to be forwarded towards my customer. So after setting up this first step, that is AI instructions, let us move on to this base from which this AI assistant is going to fetch the data. Know what is going to fetch the data. It is going to know about what is our organization, what all the things that we provide in our business, what are the services, what are the policies. We can add all these things in our knowledge base related to our business, with the help of which this AI assistant is going to reply to our customers' inquiries. Okay. So for this knowledge source, I have created a knowledge base. You can see right here. I have given the business brand information first. You can see right over here. My name of the business is Event Ease. I have added all the things you can see right over here related to my business. I have added the contact details as well. I have added all the things that I provide in my business. You can see right over here all the events that we organize and the description of it. And I've mentioned each and everything that is there in my business right over here in this document. Okay. You need to create this document right over here in a TXT format. Okay. So now I have created the knowledge base that we are going to upload right here. So for the knowledge source, I'm going to upload the file. I'm going to click on this upload button right over here. And you can see this is the knowledge base. I'm going to open this base over here in this upload file field. And you can see right over here, automatically this file has been uploaded in the name of event is knowledge base. Okay. So as you can see, as now I've uploaded the knowledge base, using this base, this bot is going to reply to all my customers' inquiries. After setting up our knowledge source step, let's move on to the assistant interface. Over here, firstly, we have to give the display heading name. For the heading name over here, I'm going to write it as event is bot. Okay, so I'm going to name this over here as event is bot. Okay, you can see it says event is bot. It says header display subheading. We are online and happy to assist you. This is the subheading right over here. If you want to make changes in it, you can add it right here. Initial message, this is my initial message that I want to send. So I'm going to make no changes right here. But if you want to add another message, you can definitely do that. And you can only add 2 initial messages right here. After initial message, it says display the powered by Pabbly label. If you want to display this label right over here, you can definitely do that. But if you want to remove it, you can disable it from here directly. Okay, I want it, so I'm going to enable it. After that, it is footer text. Okay, for the footer text, it is written privacy policy. If you want to make changes in this footer text, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. And also, if you want to make this footer text a hyperlink, you can add the link right over here in the footer link as well. Okay, next is user first message. What message is going to be forwarded to us as an initial message from our customer? I have written it as I need help as the initial message. Okay, so now I'm done with the assistant interface setup right here. This is the last setup, that is styling. Over here you can decide the theme of your bot. You want it light or dark, you can select it according to your requirement. I want it as light, so I'm going to select it as light. Assistant shape, you can see this WhatsApp symbol. You can make it as circle or rounded square. You can see the changes there. I want it as circle. If you want to make the color theme over here according to your business brand, you can definitely do that by changing the colors in HTML format right here. If you want to add a profile picture, you can do that. If you want to add the assistant profile, you can do that as well. Okay, and if you want to make any background change and add a background right over here, you can remove it from here and add your own background. Okay, so you can make all the changes in your bot style right over here from this styling. Now I have done all the things. I have set up my AI assistant right here. Now to save this assistant, firstly I'm going to toggle this button on and save the AI assistant directly from here. It says AI assistant saved successfully. Okay, as now the AI assistant has been saved successfully. Now what you can do is, if you want to add this bot right over here on your website, so your customers can directly from your website open this bot. For that, you can go to this embedded right over here and you're going to find this script, this JSON script. You can add it in your website, copy it from here, add it in your website, and you can add this bot directly over on your website. Okay, so now I have created this AI assistant, we are going to test this AI assistant by sending a message towards it. Okay, so this is the AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot right over here, and towards this bot, let's suppose I'm going to write it as I need help. Okay, I'm going to send this message towards this bot right here. And this bot has replied, I'm here to help. Please let me know the specific assistance you need in. So here, let's suppose I'm going to write it as I want to know about your business in brief. Okay, I'm going to send this message towards this bot right here. As I've done that, you can see this is the reply. Event is a full service event planning company dedicated to creating seamless and memorable celebrations. You can see this bot has automatically replied with an answer right over here. Okay, so this means that this AI assistant has been successfully created using Pabbly Chatflow. And that's how you can build your own AI-powered WhatsApp chatbot for your event planning business using Pabbly Chatflow, just with few simple steps and without needing of any coding and programming skills. And let me tell you this, you can create and test this AI assistant chatbot right now itself, as Pabbly Chatflow provides you 100 free credit points to test what we provide. Okay, so go ahead and start making your own AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot today itself and enhance your WhatsApp conversations with your customers. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.